Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look over a product that I've been working on for the past year. But if you have a 94 to 04, maybe 96 to 04 Mustang, V6 all the way up to the Cobra, V6 GT Cobra, GTS, whatever. This right here pulls loose and kind of bridges. Looks terrible, kind of, every time you see it and you get in and get out, whatever, kind of takes away from the Mustang. And so the product I've come up with are these inserts. These are 2x2 3K. It's made of 3 layers of carbon fiber, and this one actually is clear coated. This is the first set that I've clear coated, and we're going to do an install on this vehicle. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take an alcohol swab and we're going to clean the door panel, just like in this area where the tape is going to go. So anywhere that you've placed the tape, you kind of want to do this to kind of remove any of that interior, cleaner, detailer, or whatever muck. I'm going to kind of just clean this up really good, make sure that tape adheres. Now, I will say this, once you put this on, it's not going to come off very easy, which is kind of the point, right? So we got that wiped down really well. Take a microfiber and just kind of help it dry a little bit, lift any of that stuff off. So there we go. I got my tape pre-applied. Just kind of put it on there. Again, this is the very first install, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna test fit first. This little flange and this edge tucks in behind this door cup. So you can kind of just slide it in, set it down in place, check for fitment. Now my door cup, this is a replacement one I got years ago. It fits terribly. So I wouldn't mind that. You'll see on the passenger side, we do the passenger side, you'll see that one's a factory one. You'll see it fits much better. But we're gonna do this one first. So what we're gonna do is get this guy in place. Everything looks really good. So what we're gonna do, so that bridging may be keeping it from settling all the way down in there. You see, I can push in. So you may have to, I'm not going to, but you may have to cut this to relieve that pressure. I wouldn't cut it all the way to here. I'd leave like a 1/2 inch or something. And just, you may be able to heat it up with like a heat gun. I don't have one currently, but I'm gonna try to stretch it maybe. And then try it again, see how it fits. Still about the same. So, but what you want to do is just make sure that it kind of fits in the right place, and it does. It's just lifted a little bit right there. I'm okay with it. So now that we know that it fits, right, we're gonna do this. We're gonna take and peel just the end of this up, right, to where it sticks out, just like that. And we're gonna do this bottom piece same way. Just like so. We've got little tabs where we can pull these. So again, we're gonna take and slide this down in place. And then we're gonna make sure it fits where we want it, right? And I'm gonna take and just put that on there, just like that. Pulling the tape as I go. Still making sure everything looks really good. There's the top one. It's on there. All right, same thing for the bottom. Pull this out. Make sure everything's in place like you want it. There we go. It's in there. There we go. Simple install. Take you longer to clean it than to put it in, the door panel that is. And there should be nothing to hang on. But that's the install. Let's get to the passenger side. I wanted to show this one just for one thing. This is a factory. This is from Ford, door cup. This is not a replacement. This is a factory one. So you can tell the fit is really nice. And so again, the bridging is the same on this side. It's actually worse. Okay. Cleaning off that door panel with alcohol swab is very, very important for this to work right. And then, boom, look at that. Really, really nice. Almost like Ford wanted it like this. There shouldn't be anything for your clothes or anything to catch on. And you're done. Wipe the fingerprints off, show off your new carbon fiber accessory, and yeah, there you go. This is an early production SN95 door panel. It's got a separate factory insert, and this is thicker than the ones that are made into the panel later, that are made later all the way up to 2004. So if you take the carbon fiber insert that I make, and you set it in there, oops, it fits, does fit in there, but look, it doesn't cover completely all of it. Might be able to shift it down, but it still doesn't go all the way into the door panel like it does on the later ones that this is made for. I hope this helps. The only thing you could do different is you could take the panel off. It's got these tabs. There's 3 of them, and then it's got these little plastic things that are melted. I have to take out this foam piece, and there's probably more in there, and pop this out and see how it fits in there. And you have to find some way to, support where your elbow goes for this thing to fit. But I don't recommend replacing them or purchasing a set to go over those unless you're okay with being able to see the edge of this under that carbon fiber. Well guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and have a great day.